this bag on roll. This is Stasil transparent LDB material, and we have a door tape. We just have a new machine of the door tape, and we can do this door tape very well. We do staple bag also. You see, this is our new products. We have a one factory specialized in these products, and this product is very popular in the US market. Paper bag, we going to paper bag very well. This is the PP woven. PP woven with glossy laminated. This is the Ziploc bag LDB material. I will show you. We have printing here, and this is made from LDB material. You see, I have cutlery also. We do a lot of this. We do very well. You can take a look.